The word barista, it originates from Italy, which also means a bartender, a person who works behind the bar, prepare and serves drinks to the customer. But around the world, the word barista is a title that's given to a person with extensive knowledge on how to operate commercial coffee machines so that he can brew a perfect cup of coffee, whether it's an espresso shot of coffee or a milk-based coffee with good latte art or a filtered coffee. Baristas are often found in coffee shops, and they have different roles and responsibilities depending on which level they are on. There are 3 basic levels of being a barista. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm the Barista. This channel is all about sharing coffee knowledge so that you can brew a perfect cup of coffee. Today we'll be talking about the different roles that baristas do in a coffee shop. The title of a barista is gender neutral in most places of the world. So we have the male barista and the female baristas. There are different levels of being a barista in a coffee shop. These different levels require different knowledge, and they carry different responsibilities and duties that the baristas do in a coffee shop. We have the head barista, who is sometimes called the lead barista. We have the senior barista, and we have the junior or the beginner barista. The junior baristas, these are the beginner baristas. These are the baristas with the basic knowledge about coffee. Often when they are working in a coffee shop, they are under the guide of the head barista or the senior barista, leading them on how they can perfect and become better baristas. We have the senior baristas. These are the baristas with a good knowledge about the coffee and the coffee brew equipment in the coffee shop. They should be able to calibrate the different coffee machines so that they brew a perfect cup of coffee. They should know the differences in the different brew methods and the differences on the coffees on the menu. They should be able to explain in detail to the customers about their coffee menu and the coffee drinks that they serve in the coffee shop. The senior barista is always acting as an in charge in a coffee shop whenever the lead barista is not around. The head or the lead barista, this is the barista who's fully in charge of the bar. He should be knowing everything concerning coffee. He should have the proper knowledge on how to run a coffee bar. He should be able to train the junior baristas. He should be able to create and design the coffee menu and the different recipes that you use in a coffee shop. One of the frequent asked questions to us as barista is how you can become a barista without experience. Most of the time, a coffee shop will hire you, then you will undergo the basic training that you need to become a junior barista. Then when you become a junior barista, you will have a chance to grow and become a senior barista, then later on take more training so that you can become a lead barista. As simple as it may sound, to become a better barista, you will undergo different trainings so that you can learn to calibrate the different coffee machines. We have the automatic coffee machines, we have the manual coffee machines. To become a senior barista, you should have all the knowledge to operate the different coffee machines. When applying or you want to become a barista, these are the things you need to understand and have. You should have a good communication skill. You should have good customer service. You should have good teamwork. You should be good in time management. And you should be good in the cleanness. To understand this, I've made a video. You can check it out. It's about what you must do as a barista. It will be very important. It will guide you on your journey to become a better barista.